It's Black Wednesday and my wife is requesting that I change this shower head. She wanted one of those handheld jobs, of course, but I had a pre-band shower head laying around from back when I built this house. Believe it or not, there's actually laws in place for shower heads. Good thing I bought this one before the laws changed, so I'll be grandfathered in. I'll start by removing the old shower arm. I really like using this baby pipe wrench whenever I get the chance, just because it's so cute. Remember to turn it counterclockwise, like you're going back in time. Up, part of the shower arm is still in the eardrop. That's what the fitting is called inside the wall. Luckily, it was easy to remove. I'm just going to put the shower arm on temporarily to clean out any of the junk. With everything cleared out in there, let's go ahead and install the new shower arm. I like to put the E-scutcheon on first. That's this piece that covers the edges of the pipe where it goes into the wall. Then I wrap on the Teflon tape, always wrapping it clockwise. I never used Teflon paste before, but I see all these guys on Instagram doing it, so it must be correct. We used to call it pipe dope back in the day. I'm not sure if that's still an acceptable term though. And don't forget to always apply it in a clockwise direction. Now I insert the shower arm into the eardrop fitting and turn it clockwise like I'm going back to the future. I bought these guys just for this video. Let's see how well they work. These things stink. I guess I'll just have to go back to the old-fashioned way. More Teflon tape. You should remember which way to wrap it by now. I seen this trick on Instagram, how to pull off the extra exposed tape. Let's see how well it works. I love this stubby wide jaw crescent wrench. Oh, excuse me, adjustable wrench for all the fact checkers out there. And if you've been paying attention, you know which way to turn it. Okay, let's see how well this tape trick works. Oh, would you look at that? That's pretty neat. All right, so let's turn the water on and see how we did. There you have it, folks. A simple enough job that just about anybody with a pulse can do it. Hopefully this helped you with your project.